Luxe Clinic nyala health facility.
Okay.
Chamande yulma no kubeshama clinic nyale.
Okay.
The aim nyame for now to help with skin issues.
Okay.
Reproductive health, aesthetic medicine, trichology, that's hair loss and all that.
To chekati azam pa otobo namna za duna mun namdu kagasi mun temina za sanya bulkaton patala an fe di yuko pun kati akana te jinjimo pun it is an fan dem den zanti sambana nam kedi jimo kati pi boy inside Tamale GAIDA-COM TV zo ngilumbo ne abu moaz zo mi tenan katar kanan saha do mi Tamala nirwai to do mo puni kappiana nebtezan fan dem ben zanti sambana nam kedi so jima ya en tala biala pour mille chama di sema na kubara zontina la katare kamale doctor patient to do mo puni onyala medical director zante Luxe Clinic anti table the name again Ali Umar ogwazan hanyala nurse la particular clinic ma pune bomi piamna ne titizan enfant zantin domini to bona te yule ezan pa nin sarati nin gbangbang wo to apollo skincare wula kate nan kate nin gbanama ka alan fe ber pune kate bugon jar pamana msandele dinan karanya maybe pimples mbia nini banto wa social no to dole kada ba sam anin gbangbang den ka ko piana tizan fan ma zanzantinya so che kan number marhabi piana imarabi okay. That's beautiful. Okay, check and start with you. I will te tamalamo de zoe pamka pasara so kamza hapa kubonu oyina ka mu nchana and then at the end of the day ati nyamuka bapambiane ko na bapa yunshele ka punyaka dipo chongo yang mamu gedi yang mame sabbe is it that pama ka be jara be dukulu tuni ni sare zang kamna zang ta na o mama na mani bana karin sham
So then ma kapama ka be jara ho pama ka bishara ama dembe pama ne ma no on jara la ma exposure to untama.
Okay.
Aside pama o protector onang bang against untama because untama mi malabin sha UV rays.
Okay.
UV rays ma it's not good for our skin. So
okay.
Benjamin Carbon the sunscreen. On social media sunscreen here, sunscreen there. It's not just for the fun of it.
Okay.
Then I'm very, very important.
Okay.
But back to main points ma. Active ingredients shanga dem deren mostly kama anyel de shama bo wan na benong wula na bright bele ami yellow sisibe wow barma so there are ways of glowing your skin in a healthy way with medically curated products.
Okay.
Now then ma the ben bleach a ho
okay.
But so nya na ngana onya no wow
de viala
our skin ma looking very healthy
okay.
Like the benang nirmana na red or even yellow
okay
or could in between but okay. Eyelid skin ma it's so admirable
okay.
Like
so kama anye shamo nyame dinan kama ne sabge shamo kabene to tomakpama still kan ningbana ma mbe mugi dibin ta ankala ama den chamuka ningbana kare nevia
okay yes okay so IMAL spots be asking ma they're not prone to acne and all those things clearly kakuta healthy skin well hydrated
so la den mama she doctor na mean be
drugstores mostly okay. But nowadays I could check cosmetic shops all you need is kabota cream. Ami bumbo shokoro kabichang. Exactly.
Okay.
So it's not that like every problem, I'm a skin issue. Kamala the cause.
Okay.
So the sense nature have zama being in labs get to the root cause of it.
Okay.
And then no active ingredient then. Because I mean, the CeraVe, like popular brands. So people also can use CeraVe because I know because it's popular.
Okay.
But it's not just for popularity's sake, man. There's something in a particular product under La brand, man, that would recommend it for. I cannot clinic, for instance. You would see certain brands that you feel you hear, like the Kunyela popular, like everyone is talking about it, but it is not about the brand. It is what is within the product.
Okay.
So if I need a product that has a particular active, maybe salicylic acid in it to treat you, there are certain percentage limits that I can't go beyond. If you go to the ordinary person, it can have a percentage beyond what is advised for the skin. So they will still sell it to you. At the beginning,
you didn't quantity share.
Exactly, and most of it for 2 weeks, a period of time to solve a particular problem. Then you just go on a neutral moisturizer, baby, but people don't know that. Uncle used to like work to the kumala as only yara kakana shift katita para the next minute as maybe it is from another cause because headache is a manifestation of so many different conditions. I'm going to say and so where
shifting so this carry any charge okay,
so mine changing the malambala but this is not a chance because then that anya headache maybe it's one different one. Exactly. Most of the times, unless you are just known to have a particular chronic illness, maybe I'm on the BP and they've put you on BP medications. Even that, if you start having severe headache, come to the hospital because that's a red flag. Exactly. So the skin, like it's underrated, or it is one thing. Is something we go to the hospital for, but it's very important. I say your skin is the passport to you yourself because if I meet you right now, first impression so you keep it well, attend to it, pay attention to it. Then that inside, your skin tells the story. Okay. What is wrong with you is seen in your skin. When you are stressed, it is your skin would use you look so stressed. You look so stressed. Where do you think they are seeing it from? Just your eyes or your nose or your mouth? No. Your whole being. This is your passport. Gives it off.
Okay. So I and I don't know how true is it. The infection shall not be any, and then the enzyme like maybe pimples can appear any. So
the person has an idea. Man your boils. Your boils. Almost everyone from childhood at one point in time you've definitely had a boil.
Yes, of course.
It's a manifestation of what infections from within. So out as a boil. Sometimes, not all the time, but certain conditions would look and study the skin or will ask you certain questions. Have you experienced this on your skin, or is this happening on some parts of the skin of a particular part of our body, just to rule out certain diagnosis. So the skin plays a key.
So I focus on the English because I yes. Maybe medical terms,
sometimes because of medical term, even processing how to bring it out in Dagban Lima, it's quite, but I'll try. I'll try.
So okay, so I'll come back to you. Mr. Uma, kama do dabanya minazaha. I need do ko ojepam. How do you feel? Kama the Malam Moscow.
Well, it's a controversial question because pompon zamano so come pour la bobia o karamala o unso yel. But skin bleaching as no bon de
yeah.
Yes.
Ba je bon ba.
De jirla ya toi pam.
Okay. Okay.
Intini selma mamang biago. De pam jirla cancer na ma. De pam jirla ya toi inti ya toi go.
A lot of things.
Yes. In as much as abon nan ata anang bang the silmingo bie wula, well, it's up to you.
Okay.
But the two no nyam mamman kale ha mamandala fiezo. An user pashelma. Tibu mbiero fu.
Okay.
Bo effect kada mal intra. Bo dote kari intra. Kidney mami to user bi shaka miza. Nungunmu intune dilan fighti en yira.
Okay.
So if at the end of the day for you one pompon to bintra malanka the lampa
tinda mil sham.
Yes, pompon fet
yes.
So body ma 24-hour a day, it is constantly working. Your kidneys are working, bringing out the toxins. So at the end of the day, you realize that nimuna biakam biai kunyege. Now namdi aninguna shama the lantu la over.
Okay.
So lama ipage ay nyame kanyuna ka biakam ka problems kanan. So then chaka dotamala yai
system
dele and even nungban ma de badala fi the very important ana minya kaso bishamago kadi yu matu ngalla de blancha biakam yu ma na ko biani is because akula nungban ma dala fi. So these are some of the things you should think before getting into some products. So in a nutshell,
okay. Check on Lavna Doc Sam. Kama Panya, like some extent. I mean feel kama the returning bazaha moha looking at maybe a taba didn't a medical background about things you feel a shell. The Nanto Chicago was a hot honey the tuning in the moha kakane beshamo.
Oh, honestly, at some point in time. So come friends naturally bukunyala fair, and when you see them you admire them. At some point in life we all admire such things, and I think that's the beginning of something fresh girl. But entirely blame the individual, my society.
Okay.
Society, because Papa Dabama preference and bala.
Okay.
Don't because I have got too much. They light me, like so society mother it's a whole it's an all-inclusive thing. The business in the end they just the bleachy because the system is educated so come.
Okay.
Go accepting so come
now
but me I'm for making a skin look nice, healthy, and glow in a positive way, not how we see it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, but I mean, come on, like I mean it dabab currently. Pumpo te baribla mbore pajarba ma te bola bangbaza natural maybe. Come on, man, for instance, I just need someone who is decent. Ka mohabi asabgame so dinya maybe pa amana tahramene te bola bam moha search. Then we still have a long way.
It is something ni chaba bang because band Mali stereotype shally back then in the 90s from 98, 99, early 2000s. Then I could and it could be just you. So maybe I'm to use our platform to promote that.
Okay.
In chadabama bang bugba mal influence in what is going on. Even now, like bugba za jara mama.
Of course.
So you see, I do kajara. Obviously, I encourage la pama no la. To some extent that even some mothers bugba dara all these skincare blah blah for but like small baby.
Okay. So onkana chekate yulongo bleaching ma demale barnazanti ti ningongo ma lala bangbaza ha kware pama ma ti ibamal de banks moma I try ni manba maybe fila be I manba sunsune ki ne to woba aizangu nzantungu bon den to ko seben sha onin gbanan bon den ko enche maybe kala ban yarama karbalge.
I think there's selfishness because only when because I can't tell them within 1-2 weeks I need some results. Okutoya on certain products shabaka to complaining I ne use my first mother and no okay I'm up on the chemical and one red baby sap but me because how be educator complaints ma then kanama one person can't to complain, another can maybe 3 weeks and another. It should ring a bell.
Yes. The tuna
so I manage the human welfare at heart. I could restore killer products, ma. But and try to read on it or I'm trying to get information. Bombe bunwama ani course wrong baby you saw me wrongly. Okay, will I come here and use the card but the reaction because actually product shop then they no good ho very very okay but sharp mal but then you solution stand exposure ma then you cause a lot reaction ma.
Okay,
for instance eat 3 for some condition ni yala try as much as possible to avoid the sun. I could to I mean obviously I'm trying to my and all that using sunscreen every 2 hours making sure no I reapply and all that to prevent that reaction because direct rays from the sun they're reacting with a particular ingredient in it or heat and sweat would make it react into a different thing from what we are looking for.
Okay,
so it's
so Mr. de zoya maybe agwaza hadunya timin dab to biene kanto muka so yelso o ndonyila sabge yai amal knowledge about kamani sale jarpam be a try na taani gungban na onin namle sham karnu to tuma barnama ana me encounter la ka encounter advice den kazan tre azonima de check up stay away from passion women the taptama.
Intia labin ya roma the jela tigi hagani but I think unconsciously teba bangna didn't push most people into this act.
Okay,
because how to yet to apuni some comments are there that you need little come maybe the nyala German last.
Okay,
so come on timala yet to come on oi umbona okusabwa meko obihago obihago na kusabwa shama la ko basabwe.
Okay,
oi so some comment like zom ban sabla
zom niveau sabla
nyin sabla yes but dinye betenye nyuvoje
bobo yo na ala moya
mbonguna
o vielpam
ko malade la robo mbonguna ntia o suko pielme nyun akonya nyumvo piel nguna o suko piel sa shell kam so if someone should sit and reflect on these things, especially take it into consideration. These are the things that push children because behe malavishabu observer pam.
Okay.
So don't observer man. Iya toa barayela zalamu. Mayela zalamu. No pie pam. No gemu. On gema bon chawo pie. Onung banama nesabguma dentale. So ogba nele ode.
Onung
banama karinya da sablema. Ogba yam fighter me kama dumuna in order not to get this comment from anyone,
the two numbers are hamugi.
Yes.
Okay.
So I nyame otopa SS ko tinye ode
o mama to nyero o so la jala
ko nye koles na malde pashal dan to moro nang banama ko ba chante dashale la ka da telegra.
Yes.
Ay nyame ko ba o pompo pale bosu pompo mama yan pela dane chante dabe yarma las mes yarma canon fine.
Okay.
But at the end of the day, the end results,
the end banner.
I'm fine, and yes, Kalamani, you know, but what's the end result?
I think you can. I check that colony. I just bien. Okay, check out. I check that whole pambiane.
Yes.
I just bien. I nyamuka o book pumps.
Yes.
So when make up my young Sahana pagi o genuine o panin money. So Karaso prevented but Pambian Kokutura and for young Karanya Muslim because Olga Beshako learning man. So this is o Pamela Baka young must have problem. Okay, so you can see
that the pansy shell in as much as cat pressure against bleaching in general,
okay,
especially when you are doing it in the wrong form. We should also advise ourselves in pushing people into doing that.
Okay,
come on to check to comments, to behavior.
Yes,
when we see people with black, pom I trade down kasumalo obi bisable ko yen so hana bum obia ana lemo like but bit is on DJ na go ko nan be sha yongo ma ayi
yes
so labi yar ma za biya tene ta ba bang na den pusher ne ba pamma so these are to not
so watch okay that's beautiful so you can so ka vu to vo comme kala so abi lol kam ka yuna GAIDA-COM TV zone mo de chan kantan ten labna. Okay, so abel welcome GAIDA-COM TV zone about to vo comme kalabna Dr. Patience min Mr. Umar na yala bambi to do mo pune so say for so ne be sambana maybe kayam boy bolenye Luxe Clinic. Yes,
so Luxe Clinic nyala health facility.
Okay,
chamande yulma no kobeshama clinic nyale.
Okay,
the aim nyame for now to help with skin issues,
okay,
reproductive health, aesthetic medicine, trichology, that's hair loss and all that.
Okay,
yes,
okay, so check out you longo yon de zoe pam 3 yedi to dera sorry de zoe kan nirbum male nimbun bang dote kama pimples for instance bonum cause la ben yarama
so yeah yamale out of 10 patients by Yankana with skin issues, about 7 of them, but problem nyala pimples no more. Then katabon the acne. So the nangma dela in a way that the malaben shav bone the pause. Pause man nika tezavre. Kama abier nika de yerna. So tinili magwa malala pause man. Kadmal hair follicles then.
Okay.
Katalama ben shav bone the sebaceous gland. Then produce the oils. I mean, Tonya, I say I be but by afternoon, can you shine?
Yes.
Sebaceous gland ma to mambala. Then produce the oils ma naturally. Now, nam to me way body ma the sense the moisturizer. The business in our body non dry.
Okay.
That's how come naturally. And I'm gonna ma produce a lot of
okay.
So la pause ma the sense the open the sense in the Mali way, so 7 you produce a karakana out to serve its purpose. But in cut the block oils ma yam produce me ama de be yina so de accumulator me de kuma la ai po balloon on para kwam nan da na bonyan nan they expand them to la no nyele.
Okay.
So they expand them to the point that the pressure within can be contained.
Okay. Ka anye kare esira kare de push le biara.
So they me pile up the mala bacteria shall naturally on the skin ma. Like then could like it's natural but the overgrowing.
Okay.
The feeder on those accumulated debts within the pores and also producing waste. Then cause acne ma. The produces so much waste. I nyala tumbo ni cystic acne. The yinan kar barabara ka nyala kamam boil karmal white discharge shanga. Then yeah, so acne ma the different types are basically then cause lang kovon. Pores ma you close then ka sibuma accumulate ka la bacteria ma tubonde me propioni bacterium acnes. Then you cause
yes. Okay, so you the weight loss bazaha issues. So kama so no to understand dinan ka weight loss ma dinan ka te feel na nguna vume ngare den yipum be sham be wura kara wura.
Yeah, so the benya na akwen work me number no lose weight kat the start no. Then you have to so and examine and check the root cause because weight gain Antonia mana gain weight and it's not just any weight. Anto gain weight and it's just because of your way of life, a diet, and other things. And Anto gain weight from a medical condition. So the sensitive you are cleared and all that, and this is just weight, and you've tried everything. Did you start with chantivati ngobe kanaka chiba? No.
Okay.
You start with conservative treatments. It's one step at a time. Then check this side. Make sure we've exhausted it and probably then it's not working for you. Then we progress to the next thing. You'll be amazed. No stress. Stress causes weight gain. So if we are able to determine that it is because of stress, can produce a particular hormone.
So stress. Wumsum to check I'm yelling the car.
Stress ma ka wumsum konkonya stress psychological.
Okay. The way
so some serious problem can go through like and through that I don't disturb the they disturb a whole system, a hormonal balance and all that. The child produces a certain hormone. There's this particular hormone called cortisol. Then to trigger lots of things. Could gain some weight that isn't necessary. So if we are able to trace down to the cause of your weight loss, we tackle it from there. Till it gets to the point where medications have to come in and all that. So to weight loss it's holistic and it's client centered. It's individual. I'm a kana kata nong otobo hone agba ikana la yenya.
So no to kana ke son ka dinon ko obara into son ko o kwase.
Yes, go see ways to her kwase because wait mommy to male me
mommy ati en yele in the band to cut en yele champagne maybe ko ni gbara vu
konya healthy weight because in medicine obesity most of the health conditions what is the risk factor? Obesity is always part. So it means weight gain you should try as much as possible to be within the right
range.
Yes.
Range. So kama tema be neshiamu go to gym and then pambiane anto ko ene dipa what's the name food supplements ko you see kanye Moses mapa de ayenyamu woni ngori be nyar body pa.
So these supplements wama shanganya la steroids and it's not good. I ban use salama beach naturally if I work out catch a working out my iron reduce iron shrink my back. I take it last steroids ma shrinkage ma like I take workouts in addition or just akutolang afford the catch it like I know the worse than and start the shama.
Okay.
And it also leads to lots of things. And you can so gym all of a sudden on your last stretch marks, steroids ma. Kashabi be the bankunan the natural. They build the muscle, but you don't have a single stretch marks and all that. They are doing it the healthy way with healthy diets.
Okay.
Because muscle is more of protein. You are going to the gym. Actually, the gym zero natural things, but like in the right proportions, more proteins, more this, less fats. If it's even meat, lean meat, and all that.
Okay.
I gain element natural and very, very nicely. But all these added supplements, we have proteins in supplements as well. Like supplements, it's okay.
Okay.
Shami, it would lead to addiction and lead to something else.
Okay.
So it depends on which exact supplements you are using.
Okay, that's fine. So in Angela Ness, the Pune, it pune like she said, ma, the pimples. So didn't carry pimples, ma, bankana like Ibanyanes no mama advised them ke ima zana terba. Then che maybe ka didn't to vuba kache lab na di ko ambien bakar di bugase.
Well, into pimples no mwana ye trap ye factors pam to cha ni salmal pimples.
Okay.
Tunto kal divide debatation because of time. One major factor genetics also play a role.
Okay.
Anto le zulia shele.
Okay.
Kantia akopo oyanum za ntepozo
bazara
mala pimples.
Okay.
To aile kama atile kama lanye agwa situation. Item risk the tuna agwa mala preventive measure to those risks.
Okay.
So nyama karabye azulia.
Okay, adampune. Okay.
Tuna annong bishakam di yang gua kachi di yang cha pimples man bayana.
Okay.
So the tuna take one seeking medical attention.
Okay.
Didi nye pimples na ma kadiza nye yem. De dia taptabanti a doctor ni nye sahawi on pere puni dia.
Okay.
The pimples na ma dia taptabni. Shanga bia ne de kunya simple pimples nyale maybe anto use maybe kakpa halbi bisha ni jare kare cham.
Okay.
Shanga bia mi de borlatima de tuna doctor jene on le nchaba ye a jim chantanen lab test na ma ka bang na timoyen diga kuto diga.
Okay.
To abakana hospital mo ka batin zama bangla parameters ma wala
din tusha.
Yes.
Kar kunya ai a chanti jina azonem ne kaso eno o pimples nda ma kwamo kandaji kar chanka cream.
Yes.
A chanti da atenya amoya ka anipulo mo ha kana wasap.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Den lantom pa wontam mami tungwana ma wontam mamali ya. The Maliyapa.
Okay.
And especially at the peak of the day, around Agbasa, Zanchang, Tripolo, Untamamala.
Yes.
And last Sami, the Mala Silming Bond of UV rays. Last Sami Karamalia.
Okay.
So last time UV rays is not actually very good for our skin. So I expose them to la wontangma. The enchamaka la pimples in my already.
Okay, so I don't know whether Dr. Bohagumbo, but check out Kuzan Boha. Me, we're going to the Pune. Most people come Sima, for instance. Nirupam believe him in the eye over Sima. The hair pimples now and in Harman Bong. That is my belief. How true is it?
Yeah, you told mama. I mean, you don't turn it. It's one of the things we've been debating on.
Okay.
But it has its medical explanation to it. And some anyame, some of jela, intinyung banama. other school of thought me no to remove some because the total barna.
Okay.
So until next time, doctor.
Okay, so doctor
okay, so in simple ways, customer cause of pimples, ma.
Okay.
No.
Can't in particular. So because recently, come I usually 5 months ago, and down moves my pump. And having your pimples, but recently having in Chong, no cool started small last 2 weeks, man, but and then can get in your pimples.
So, allergic reaction or triggering factors. I move smart too much, but smart it's a nut. Okay. The malakbam. Then let's explain it pathophysiology of acne, like the former the shaman. Partiality, no produce to moisturize the
pimples, ma. Okay.
No, to skin, ma. To moisturize. But naturally, I be je kwamba ati enyala.
Kwam kare yena.
Kasha den nung too much. So di nung too much, man kati yena nyimala oily skin. So I am obviously. It will trigger more sebum production. Okay. I understand it. Okay. So they produce more sebum. Can pause but non clocked. From explanation, okay. Anya pimples. Ama pause ma you clock the poor ma the sense you pama release. Gotta close. Mama can pile ma up. So in that case, I'm with some the non them promote
more oil.
Acne ma.
Okay.
But it is not that I move some like I could move some pimples. It's a whole process.
Okay.
And the a triggering factor will tell you. If not, I never been some gara.
Of course.
So it is you, your allergies, what you are sensitive to. So peanuts. It's not a real cause like the real cause of acne.
Okay.
No.
So ngwaza hanim kuranzo kabe be yale. Tamal pimples share dagban na ka bon ne dako zina. Means that kama ditin ka bi amateur enough na mean papa male harakana taba. I mean sexual way ka dinaban nan anyame laban ma pimples karakara nyere so di ya ben ya ne kama apa bi do na yes so the baza hamba bang ami ni sanan
so I'm describing shama katabo the cystic acne ma kada yinon zakara kama boil la sabla but ka boil ya ka kubzera
yes
then cystic acne ma ai explanation shantama kala but I'm telling shama I literally so maturity that means a hormones ma production panela optimal. Okay. So the my shall make as a result of hormonal imbalance. Actually that be mal be hormones kapaba mal be hormones.
Okay.
Hormones shall be katbon the androgens. Then when it's produced in excess the trigger la acne.
Okay.
So di nangka amale excess a hormonal balance ma benang as it's supposed to. Anya these kind of acne. So those kind of acne we treat from inside out. So acne treatments ma the different types. So these are okay. We can go topical.
Okay.
We'll go by that. These are no. The sense that they are the systemic treatments. Maybe we are supposed to give you a particular injection or an IV or pills to take. We go that way. So it's not just a one cap fits all.
Okay.
So come yes.
So like one side of it pimple share bien ka so ni and your mama going to admire because bebone dark pimples
dark spots blackheads
come out the quantity is a small one
attractive.
Yes so oh no I'm telling you a lot of people feel no open your park or la small
and I'm sure na ka mistake the mala moles some black moles. Shabby man come on this side. On the beauty mole.
Ka one yeah.
Oh, shabby man come on 3, 4, 5.
Ne yara shemwe pimples unkwanye karukubio ni amamana kunya ban pimples but the yara za sabla small ones.
So means the bone the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. So la dark spots the bone the hyperpigmentation. So I am woman to use the term come on TNT to the hyperpigmentation no long water a treatment plan in young or maybe this week next month next 3 months those are hyperpigmentations. Come on acne shady turn into a wound. So wound na manya di chalaska but acne the shama ka normal cut wound in yellow. Okay. So they chang the charlala hyperpigmentation it's from melanin the skin malavin shatem bone melanin then enter the skin color so acne that particular spot they trigger make melanin production at that particular side no more.
Okay.
So the no more lama the rest of the skin kunyala normal like the general production last particular side then you mala more pigments over there the black spots
okay. So check out the gulungo pambien ben chevi at the end of the day I nyame ka ben yara chorbe bo alwana ni shabembe botuni ka yirna ka believer ne maybe when you use shaving stick shelma be bleed shell use then cause lad into bleed into cause.
So anya I can even some of our treatments it's a form of exfoliation. So ease on blade pompon cross the skin the banyala exfoliation. Okay. So I shave and shave deep. You can exfoliate and over exfoliate. But la small balls folliculitis. So hair follicle it gets inflamed because it irritates the inflammation is just a protective response from the body it's fighting the irritants like irritation now I shave it I expose sometimes I break your skin barrier skin back I kuma se chana tamale barrier use nyala protected
yes
from
so
entry. So I break a barrier or then body naturally armpits everywhere like growing areas and those sweaty shape can certain microorganisms. So I expose the skin marker organisms cause infection inflammatory process no start then small balls and all that. Okay. And all that can be treated. So blade cause expose the skin to be prone to infection leaded to those things. But there are other medical conditions that also kind of manifested like that. So I'm mistakenly for this. So all that needs to be seen, examined, and then
so didn't you come pambiene for example so bene until you use the bleed in trash shape maybe I think and then for some time we use the bleed kazam machine mama in trash shape and then the way you can yes kare appear
the but don't ingrown hair. So hair this is in the trimen but the benya social young so the hair the coin zoom under the skin. So then I touch the kunang hard the me pimples the kubjela hard so in that case say can check ingrown hair if not it will keep recurring. And then some people are just predisposed to it as well. So there are treatments for all these things.
So
people mistaking ingrown hairs for pimples.
These are different things.
Yes, they are different things. Completely different.
So pambiane maybe bene zakura antunyeka bensha maybe pimples for example pamne unisham dagwan te bo ne ben sha bongo karne to into so lokshaplo en rozan le chang hospital ka ti check ma ka bazan na muhle te ma ben sha dagwan muhle ka ne to gel nang le ne pourri de to la ben yaron ma ulanya advise anti so yin la type of bunoning banana
so manya even as medical professionals TB examining investigations to rule out like several conditions ma to mistaking one condition for another.
Okay.
So nyene zor ma anya me laben ma anya shama di nga muhlma ka bi yusra so agwa anzo te pa shama anya la ben sha ente hana oh it's similar to ka chante nang shabna to nang la hal ka get west ma dezama herbal ma ambala is best ka chang ka buteki skin samples of it and checking ya bole nang dale tim den kat bita ka vale do kwen
the song la kar de cha. Okay, so this is one opportunity for me to ask
so
you.
So the nang kar work ka den ka chant nang kar nang west because
okay.
It's a whole different thing.
Dagban mala perception shell. Tia shell ka mala. Ni ti bon wen sha what's the name? Hi. Kai. I mean, Robbie something. I forgot. Tumbundele shama. Exactly.
Amile.
Yes. So dinan ka amile. But believe me, kama la banin na kazan la cha shifte ne ka bichi ba sharga den chem ka api. Ana me gumle.
Lama, imagine when to believe somewhere, man.
Okay. So but I mean encounter it, like I said, man. I mean encounter because almost dagba tem believe shambala. But shana twa ka bazan le cha shifte ne. But jimini bari chiba sharga because bi chiba sharga ma anki. Medically is it there like
Tamale Bisham in the health industry, in health system in general, as to check health in general without considering only the medical aspect. So come on. Spiritual belief. Come on, la the perception matter. It's a belief someone has. So mala the same symptoms as you ama. Kabisel mintanga. But ko changa a shift. Kam chiwo sharga mo bishaka ko tukbang nyala fie kampuna yang. But tungwana bien yolo no you ambe ko chang hospital. Kabati chiwo sharga. Maybe ka otihama to be come oh no la anti.
Yes.
So maybe for some reasons
unfortunately
ko shiripi anyebo characters
kabena mata ponyele but it's just a coincidence. It might not even be, and maybe benchibo shama kaban banet halisham sharaganyal maybe on chama ben no laughs ma benyala something else kabutri. And one thing is nyama as a patient try as much as possible baham questions bahama doctor ma questions then so in lab ma ba de yare like malma the take okay doctor knows also on ko veve manya kayana check up chema unyen de ma
okay
and de ma vole mala sharabun chibama bo sharganya bo timenya because later I'm chang another facility I ka a medical history
akuto maybe I be and tolo
exactly
okay
I history maybe and I shanka teba for something the relapse nankanama or it has a relation to it
okay
akala information ma so in Chabanung to me then save a lots of money because I tell a history ma very well. certain things when Bokulancha I waste money to do it.
Okay.
It will just be confirmatory and all that.
So I think your mama has asked to be somebody kuninyara no okunya dinang kama soden kanyen to do it here pimples here to and weight lose me the taptama soden kanyen to do it ka
amal bango etamal Joshua Kabon the UTI urinary tract infection. I do that the jarami antofilin avona do I patient shall do mabelan and all that. Then Tonya Karanya UTI, then Tonya Karanya another disease. So STI treatment have Mulaka Bondema
Okay.
Those things because to believe in certain conditions never be seek medical attention because benangla shy or lermana oichang ashefted to talebe some big hospital where nervo galaxy be o meet so o minimani and then it's something he doesn't want. Then we factor all that in. Then talakatinye appointment based man. I born a doctor and call it the man katabuka. So tanshanka nama akunko. It's all about you at that time. So whatever it is, it's by your confidentiality. We hold it up there. So the Malaka feeling is something so shameful or shy. Talk to us. So ibn mapuni nya karamala nyina gbaza ha. Yes, the teeth whitening. So the mala dental segment for now just teeth washing scaling market and then the teeth whitening ma. But into the future very soon we'll have a full-fledged dental service available.
So it's
the clinic manual progressive like we are starting. Yes, this will channel. We'll add other medical specialties.
So opportunity can line sometimes the Kurala Kama for example, Niru Pam believe me to bone when shot sangpang. So I my sangpang the Butuna Bunum because I'm yelling now.
The song of the Macavation.
It is a experience.
So Zanyala medical myths. Zanyala medical myth. So Dinya Beshada has nothing to do with eating meat. I wouldn't say because animal protein is animal protein. Seafood is seafood. Protein from fish is of a different source. The mala different amino acid levels and all that. Antoma dosha katiyala de la ngobnemde. Ama a system need la protein. So antoma anything of sea origin because it's rich in this and this and this and that. So dinya ban kaka nothing to do with you having not to eat meat. We wouldn't say you shouldn't.
So number sha maybe so no born kabe sambana kabono contact ya on to bole kemuno pa yota.
Okay. So to active call number nyala 0303 980050. 0303 980050. So if you like car for him estate, I'm even a book appointment. I call it the 10 link car bookie favorable time. The union is extremely the problem. Who call them te? Then book the form outside. Kata time doctor and available. And to check the website www.luxeclinicgh.com. I could your website. My greeting you is appointment. Book an appointment. I click it. I can fill a form nicely, and then we'll reach out to you.
So social media platforms. My be on TikTok.
Tibet Chapo come from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, X. Threads. These are I'm fine.
These are Luxe Clinic.
These are Luxe Clinic
Okay.
GH. Luxe Manyala LUXE.
Okay. So dinan ka so be yang ka bone maybe or bone pagwana until you have condition to go or you do you offer such services?
Currently tabanong the home service.
Okay.
For now, but it's in the pipeline. It's being considered.
Okay.
And that's why created maybe waiting hours no problem. I've been can't wait at Luxe Clinic. I've been can't because theta appointments I've been wasted time. Then one, it means at 1 it's your time. Last 30 minutes or 45 minutes we know a doctor yen. So theta so maybe 150. The minute at that time, the long time.
Okay. So it appointment
time, just make sure exactly that time because I delay never pam treatment. Yes. So theta at 12. So maybe around 12:45. So I delay it will end up making you have to wait. Kadalan distorted.
Process
Yeah.
Okay. So advice nyela denzanti maybe na chimba pasara bambe samba na zangpa tinengbango yetu apolo.
So kama yin kunang so aware of kidney issues kada nang a big deal asking issues a big deal just as a kidney disease to cha kanozoma skin magaza don't la because the mal skin cancer and it's a build up the pala it's a series of things. So I kunya something small that is of concern. Don't sit at home or assume last that I know mamaka so it might be something and most of skin conditions these start self-limiting as in the mala time just maybe the coin show up within a week so I use labensha cutting it's self-limiting, so it will go and come maybe 2 years time like that and it's a build-up. Your skin is telling a story. You need to pay attention to
it. Okay.
And sometimes some token then will realize something and then direct you, please. You have to probably go to the internal medicine unit or go and see a surgeon because so it's life-saving as well.
Okay.
And Anto feel uncomfortable in your skin. Nyama clients like from hyperpigmentation as attractive so to can kokora no nim follow the chamo buto yira because I am to how someone will just look at you speaks volumes. I'm like how they are looking at you and how they are staying away from you. All that.
Okay, so that reminds me of something. It is where bunkware passion patula la ontmens ma kanyika so bien ben chateau like pimples 3 de to ko male nzang genimane kare dole male la no mama za
I have problem with those things man. I'm not entirely against it because these are things that have been used years and centuries that have worked, especially herbal but as to whether you need use it for if that's actually it. And problem me one product but another
so my team de tebreshi I ribu to chen vien ya garozo ka tebre pune en tebrozo ka tebre ben shak kam de tebre
exactly now me benang le la di nyela ma ben ayoyo konko ka tem mala for some beula but the variety that is to say everything has specific treatments and medications for it as well. Everything in life it's kind of as a message and it's intertwined. Some life lessons exactly just to tell you ask yourself questions, ask questions, read. And then educate and inform yourself. And then one other thing, the intimate rejuvenation and sometimes bisexuality, their libido, some sex becomes painful. belanje ne boom the yellow because each time women do meeting problem. Exactly. Sharp me, they become very dry after every sex, been bleeding and all that. The maltreatment.
Okay.
That
so to no be was the problem sharing.
Then Tonya different if we examine. Maybe and those and to complain to examine and maybe we are not hoping for that. It's the beginning of some cervical cancer, baby.
Okay.
In that case, you came to solve something, not knowing that there was a bigger problem. That's life-saving. Okay. Just redirect you to see the right people, and then you are saved from all that. So just pay attention to our health. I'm even general wellness examination, then labs to check if everything is okay, your liver function, kidneys and all that. We do all
so
that.
So for the sake of time, Pambiane, tin yelmoma suna yu tukuto yel karbatam shabno boar shamzo but onto jia boara ala karatuna male kato kana ashiftu monto bo ala fetement
so ne tote ekota it's not possible because I kana like I was saying then tonanka ungo zoka kana katile henyane it's a different thing. I'm at the consultation fee nyala 80 cities to register and see a doctor. I'm looking at your doctor, and at the end of the day it's just counseling and then restructuring your lifestyle habits things. And if it happens that you have to get certain products, if we have a Tamale, we recommend that you buy Tika, prescribe it ka add somebody DNA labs me, then we get it done and all that. So depending on what exact issue it is.
Okay, that's beautiful. So your final words, Uncle Marshall.
So my no can yell the tune so come lay or dollar fees. Intia Ivor to do one. Ivor the haship to share, don't put the then put the guns. Intia I lay blend the last clinic. Luna, I will lay bag because last clinic, Tijame, literally every client has a special case. So I cannot, I'm in doctor, Yen Lila. Karapunya one-on-one consultation. So I'm let the freedom to ask your questions. Don't bother, don't put because as a hanyale. Doctor me nula shile.
Nobody attended to you.
Yes. And to make sure say like come on, I could trainer last clinic. I'm a man of honor. Come on, yes, I trainer. I shift to it.
I last stop.
So that time now I shift to my no way. No one that no hotel code trainer. No hospital, mama.
The master shama.
No like yes.
So he did in the Botswana.
No, for now it's outpatient. It's we to admit for the moment. Yes, but in the near future, it's in the pipeline. Yes. So at least to do one the 20 something good like this, and I'm happy that we have something like this to show off. The button I'm a to a baby and bunde
my
problem. She I Lore, Chantepa, Accra,
Carnaja Balur man, Bantu, Chiswell, the accident, can now tell you, Sharp cannot you, the Sundance on 2.4 3 million in Jiwala. Ntelo karuguma ka chantra di lorne kalantelano to ko le ka andira wo kala be ka andima do de na ma mangla ay ku be lo kam ka unity in cham Luxe Clinic domi on ye shamo ma de mal hankal kamal ba pam so an commercial
and the last thing is Tamale counseling service too. So come on, can I tell you to consult with doctor Melissa, maybe sometimes it's not just about sometimes your psychological aspects too. Dr. Nyela to yes, because most of these things come with its medical
conditions.
So Anto kana doctor Nito, I mean Dr. Nishini ki bangi ya nusham katiza nyefaku.
Yes. Doctor, your final words.
Okay, so Luxe Clinic is here to stay. The Babanambala. So in Chan Ankara, be Kumase for certain special treatments. Even aging, age, ramal wrinkles, strong, and all from this sun stress and all wrinkles on the forehead, or I put a while too much. Thermal treatments for all that. There's this thing you hear out there, internet is just for the big and rich people out there, Botox and all that. It does a lot. Thermal treatments, Maza, and all, for making you feel good, because sometimes I'm talking mama in the mirror and you are not comfortable. I could near 40 something years and then come out 60 years. We work on all that anti-aging treatments and all that for Luxe Clinic. So we are not just your ordinary health facility. We look to make you healthy, well, and feel confident in yourself. You should be able to walk into that space and feel bakana. Yes. And health-wise, it is done. This isn't something you just go and do by the roadside. It's health professionals and then get it done.
So
yes, braces. Colleague orthodontist, but as part of the dental service, it's all in the pipeline. We'll be doing it. So Shapta life in Yale is a treatment scan nanda. Yes, I had overcrowding and all that. So treatment. I'm at the cosmetic ones. We may start with cosmetic ones, because like I said, we want you to feel good. What you feel is what will make you feel good, but wouldn't affect your health. We are able to do so. There's cosmetic, and then we have the treatment one. What I have is the treatment one. And no, but we'll be having all that at Luxe Clinic. So if you have plans of working on your smile, working on your dentition, correcting your problems, just watch out. Soon
Manguna, I will be interested in this particular one. Yes, because it was so finally
and to the I should mind for some particular people. It's for everyone. To you la to do and to so come. Nunkura nation be pasara so come. It's te manum bambie danu te karache no so come ti ade kunyala so come.
Even man used to pamakata la max ne all those black things ma.
So in my percentage, didn't can you recommend certain percentage bien?
Tamala.
Okay. So
if through this medium, ka live video into paga film, who use some
GAIDA-COM.
GAIDA-COM media as your so that Katabana.
Yes, definitely in your recommendations. Yes. Mambola are so you don't check what Kabiani can give the board problem. Recommend that. Okay, that's beautiful. So I be long come Kayuna, main doctor patient to tell Miss Umar Mbedumo Puma, and then to Kuya Mizangpa inside Ningbana fi polo kan pa jande donc ko yelma consultation fee ma yala 80 cedi means I chang donc ka bo ne doctor nyabo ana ko enye doctor la che ayen yombo de me marana affordable pam de rikalare de sa kamin doctor nye tabaka problem shelanzan ka chente dar pam maybe Bantu ya chanti da kwa moka chanti da 1.2 million and then still kama problem shema kare increase ra pompon de la riska life la de zo ka be yina oma di kunan ka mal problems an panin benani di wahala ku cham Luxe Clinic kapte yulani benama ven yarangazanta ka yina ka bana to pia tabne den ko re confidence ma nyam kama agbay ku gara tabne kanto ku ze kay to am musole shelkane dezo zoksung na fan pambo doctor, if you can call the numbers out there for
so the number manyala 0303 980050
okay
0303 980 05 0.
Okay, so I boil number one, I'm Dr. Pohano to you, Taba. Now resolve problem come the mala, Antozang in yellow, ka obo solution mazanta, Nasheka Dagwambangara, Nesaura Langun Dola Puloni, Bukata Mana. I man saurati I so come me dash lami bukata man so the babandin inside dalan people the kaka enje ya na vi mala kutu yele mo ambe yela ma ten la na yam te jin surun kan na adua ka ten diti ka we kultungo ka ke na mzoma na mbado zo de ti chekala baga so ne zan te kazan pour sonte docteur ntitawe misawu manda benye sa piano to do puma jiwo katipi bol inside Tamale to be on TikTok, kabe Facebook, kabe YouTube, all the social media platforms and to inyeterezo manager zon abazan ban matima so tumpun ku yarma ai be samban ka unity tinyala ban so many things to pant man tribia guma pam dezo dinan ka gbo bona nan business with us and to contact the number ma it's okay, so you can check on the screen number ma pad 020 ma anto boy manager ka mino ko hayu taba ka kana tengo ka to ko hada bi rozanti saloban be sambane nti hadagban za northern region za to your podcast program karmai ya ante party de you can do your background checks do ko pay te yarme ka tunde mpara demi no ka gwana yu ka yu ne tenu shema de ma fa anti bi haguma anto za so ne yeshe zanti te number katiba kapa yule mbona abu mas tb karajara tinyala bani la matiza njini tata zanti assalamu alaikum.